this one is for my tech girlies and my gadget guys. Basically anyone who loves cool gear that makes content creation effortless. So let's get right into it. You're going to pair the Hover Air X1 drone to your phone. Once it's connected, you'll see a green light pop on the drone itself. And then your phone will also show that it was connected to by placing like an image of the drone in the actual app, right? Next step, you're going to join the drone's built-in Wi-Fi network. Yes, it has its own network so that it can, do its thing. From there, the app will give you options like follow mode, orbit, bird's eye view, or really there's like 3 other settings. Once you choose the setting that you want, you're going to hold the drone in the palm of your hands. You'll stand, of course. Now, it's going to recognize your face, it's going to lock in on you, and then it's going to start doing its thing. Now, while it's flying, you'll see that smooth tracking. Whether you're walking, spinning, or just vibing, it's going to keep you in the center of the frame. And here's the cool part. When you're done, all you have to do is just hold out both of your hands, and the drone somehow senses it and lands right in the palm of your hands. Fold it up, and you can slide it right into your pocket or your purse. Now, the video saved directly to your phone, and you can adjust the export settings. We also discovered that it can shoot vertical footage, which is a game changer. Just perfect for TikTok, Reels, or just anywhere that you're posting. Now, we took it outside just to test it out too, because I was curious to see how it would hold up in the wind. And even, look at it, even with the wind and the breeze blowing in the background, look how steady the drone is. Like, it's steady, It's just a game changer. I'm so impressed by this little bestie. So if you're looking for something that's compact, smart, hands-free shooting, this little hover buddy is going to be your new best friend.